If m is parallel to n, what is the value of x plus y in the figure to the right?
So figure on the right, I would first start with this triangle. So in this triangle, we can add those two and subtract it from 180. So I'm going to take 37 plus 61, and 180 minus that number. So that tells me the adjacent of angle y is 82. So if that is the case, could I find angle y by using linear pair theorem? So we know linear pair is how many? 180 minus 92, so that means y is how many? 98. And we can use a linear pair, no, not on this one. So we know these two lines are parallel, so that means if this angle is 37, what is this angle? Also 37. Could I take that and subtract it from 180 again? So 37 plus 61, which we kind of already have done. This is 82. And we know 82 degrees and the x are vertical angles. And vertical angles are always what to each other? Congruent. So it says find the value of x plus y. So when I add these two numbers, what do I get? 180. Boom. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Okay, for number 4, Finley, let's read.
Which would be sufficient to prove JK is parallel to L.
Okay, so if we're looking at parallel lines, we're looking at alternate interior angles must be congruent, or exterior must be congruent, or also what else? Same side interior must be how many? Uh-oh. Equal to 180. So looking at this, 2 and 3. Here's my 2 and 3. If 2 is congruent to 3, can I say that JK is parallel to LN? Yay or nay? Yep. It looks like that is our answer. And 2 to 4 being equal is not going to allow us to know that they're at 180, or they're parallel. And then 90 degrees, it's like a random one. That we don't even discuss in parallel lines. 2 and 3 are not same side interior, so therefore that's not going to work out either. Just in case if you were thinking, what about the others? Okay, number 7. Jake, let's read.
Write the equation of the line passing through the points -3, 4, and 6, 7.
Okay, so when we're writing an equation, we need a slope and a y-intercept, right? So let's first start by writing out our slope. So our slope is y is equal to, so it's y2 minus y1. Did I put y equal to instead of m is equal to? Oh my, having a day. That should be m is equal to. So here's our x1, y1, x2, y2. So our slope is equal to, y2 is 7 minus the 4. On the bottom, do I say 6 minus 3?
6 plus 1.
Why is it plus?
Because
Double negative. Okay, some of you guys not writing, can I assume that you have it done already, probably? Okay. So 7 minus 4 is 3 over 9. That's going to give us 1/3. And then we have to use point slope formula because are either of those y-intercept? No, it's not. So I have to use point slope formula. Let's see if I can squeeze it in right here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Now, it really doesn't matter which one you use. Are y'all okay if I stick with -3, 4 because it's smaller number? So we have y minus a 4 is equal to 1/3 times x plus a 3. And then distribute. Y minus 4 is 1/3 x plus 1. And what's our last step?
plus the 4.
Plus the 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Is there a way to check to see if I have the work correctly done?
Plug in the
Plug in. What I will do is put it into y1. You don't have to. You can stay in the home screen. But I think it's a little convenient. And then we have plus 5. And I will go to my table set and test out -3. And you could test the other numbers. So -3 goes to 4. And if you're willing, you can even go to 6, and it'll give you 6, 7. Good?